Hello, everybody. Welcome back. All right, so we're going to talk about some Arbitrum transactions per second. It's kind of killing it right now. And we're going to talk about the Ethereum Shanghai. It's going to be happening soon. And they're talking about some severe price action for the downside for Ether. But we'll see. Let's take a look at this. Arbitrum. So, $1.27. I was taking a look at the charts here. Let's take a look at the 14-day, 7-day. So Arbitrum came out strong. First day, boom, popped out at like what, $11 all-time high, and came right back down to like the dollar range here, $1.20, $1.25. And that's where it's hovering right now. So Arbitrum, ARB, up 8% as it tops chart for total TPS. Here's how Polygon's ZK EVM is faring. Let's take a look at this. So Arbitrum is arguably one of the best layer 2 protocols on Ethereum, with the highest transaction throughput as measured by total transactions per second, according to data from L2B. Arbitrum 1 is at the top of the chart, alongside the main Ethereum protocol in the TPS ranking. Per the data shared, the Arbitrum protocol recorded 14.89 transactions per second in the past day, surpassing that of Ethereum, pegged at 12.18. The data also revealed that maximum TPS recorded per day is pegged at 31.64, which surpasses outright the 22.37 for Ethereum. The 30-day count for total transaction was pegged at 30.26 million and fared below that of Ethereum at 31.92 million. Whew. All right, so Arbitrum 1. These are past day transactions per second, and Arbitrum 1 has the lead. Ethereum at number 2, ZK Sync coming in at number 3, Optimism at number 4, and way down here at number 8 is Immutable X. All right, Loopring 10. Anyway, Loopring. Many scaling solutions are making their way to Ethereum blockchain at the moment, and besides Arbitrum, ZK Sync and Polygon ZK EVM protocol have also found their way here. However, the data showcase revealed that these alternative protocols have fared poorly in terms of their TPS when compared to Arbitrum. Shoot. While ZK Sync's transaction is pegged at 4.82 in the past day, that of ZK EVM was pegged at just 0.07, a figure that highlights how both protocols are still building their momentum. As a truly high-performing Layer 2 network, Arbitrum's native token ARB has also remained positive on the receiving end of the growing embrace of the protocol. The token is trading at a spot price of $1.26, up by 8% at the time of writing. According to CoinMarketCap's data, Arbitrum has maintained fairly intriguing price action since its launch, attaining both its all-time high and low figures on the same day about 13 days ago. While it is 89% below the $11.80 all-time high, ARB is maintaining a steady growth trend that may see it outshine its performance in the mid to long term. And it's doing all right. All right, so what do you guys think of Arbitrum? I don't know. I don't have any personally. I'm kind of waiting because I heard they had some governance issue where they said they're having a governance vote and then the people voted and they just kind of did the opposite of what the people voted anyway. That to me is not a good sign of a good team, of honesty. I could be reading the whole thing wrong, but I just don't like that in the platform's leaders. That just doesn't look good. I like Cardano, where they always talk about freedom. So let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum Shanghai upgrade could bring 2.4 billion selling pressure to Ether. Wow, this ain't good. The 1 million instantly withdrawable Ether has become a point of concern for the market. Yeah, but you know what? It's not as bad as you think it is. We'll take a look at it. Ethereum's backward incompatible Shapella hard fork or Shanghai upgrade, slated to happen in 8 days, will let users withdraw their staked Ether. The lingering fear in the market is that the impending unlocking of ETH deposited in the network to boost security in return for rewards will see some holders rush to exchanges to liquidate their tokens. There could be. According to some observers, the resulting increase in selling pressure could be worth a couple of $1 billion. 1.1 million ETH related to partial reward withdrawals could face the market, while Celsius is likely to sell its 158,000 stake balance as part of its bankruptcy process. These two numbers represent nearly 1.3 million ETH, or approximately 2.4 billion worth of potential sell-side pressure to face the market, analysts at K33 Research said in a note to clients on Tuesday. So more than 18 million Ether has been staked in the network since the beacon chain went live in December 2020. While the entire balance cannot be unstaked immediately after the upgrade, about 1.1 million coins earned as rewards for staking are instantly withdrawable. Ether stakers are paid rewards in ETH. Additional selling pressure could come from the bankrupt crypto lender Celsius liquidating its staking balance of 158,000 ETH to cover at least a portion of creditors' funds. Per K33, San Francisco-based crypto exchange Kraken, which recently came under the regulatory hammer for failing to register the offer and sale of their crypto asset staking as a service program, is likely to unstake all ETH staked by stateside investors. At press time, the number of ETH staked through Kraken was 1.2 million. Kraken will unstake all ETH staked by U.S. investors as a result of its Wells notice. This could entice some of Kraken's ETH stakers to sell. Yeah, we're going to see a little bit of sell-off, but I don't think it's going to be as big as people think. And still, we got some more to talk about here about how it's being rewarded. So it's good news about that. The expected supply boost of more than 2 billion amounts to just 20% of Ether's average daily trading volume, according to data sourced from CoinGecko. Partial withdrawals are likely to take between 5 to 6 days to process, and full withdrawals 3 weeks and 4 months, according to an analysis by 21 Shares. Now, here's my question. So for anybody that has to stake their ETH from here on out, after the upgrade and the Shanghai and all that stuff, is there holds on that for 5 to 6 days as well for new people's ETH that are staked and they want to take it out? I'm wondering about that. Anyway. In other words, the selling pressure will likely be distributed over several days, allowing buyers to match the selling pressure. Thanks to the modest daily limit on the original 16.27 million Ether, this potential selling pressure is evenly distributed over a long time. This should allow buyers to match the selling pressure without much impact on the price. Saxo Bank's cryptocurrency analyst Max Eberhardt said in the Shanghai upgrade preview. Eberhardt added that a large share of Ether stakers are long-term investors and are unlikely to liquidate their holdings after the upgrade. I don't know. You might see a few taking some of those profits, right? I'm just glad it's distributed over a period of time. It gives the markets time to react. The chart by K33 shows 43.3% of Ether staked is in profit, as Ether's going market rate is higher than the rate prevalent when these coins were locked in the network. Meanwhile, 28% of Ether staked is sitting on a profit of more than 20%. Not bad. That number drops to 24% if we exclude coins staked through liquid staking services offered by Lido and Coinbase. Per K33, 66% of this 24%, amounting to 16% of all ETH staked, was deposited before February 2021 by long-term investors. All right. So what do you guys think of that? They're going to distribute it over a period of time, 5 days and then 3 weeks and then 4 months and stuff like that? Or a month? I don't know what it said. 4 months? Unreal. But Cardano, everybody, Cardano is liquid staking. You can put it in. It doesn't even leave your wallet. You stake your Cardano's still in your wallet, and you can move it around, do whatever you want. Of course, as soon as you move it, it stops staking, but it's liquid. No pressure from it getting stolen. You got to watch out for bad press, too. There's an article on Cointelegraph talking so much crap about Cardano and that its staking is at risk. Wow. That's so untrue. The staking is liquid, everybody. Cardano has liquid staking. Cardano is just the best chain out there. Ethereum is trying to become Cardano. Always remember that. This is the crypto realm. Play hard, trade smart. Hello, fellow adventurers. Are you tired of lugging around those big, heavy, and noisy generators on your camping trips? Well, you're in luck. The Blue Eddy generator is here to make your life easier and your camping experience more enjoyable. Let me tell you, these generators are game changers. They're ultra portable and lightweight, making them perfect for taking on the go.
And don't be fooled by their small size. These little guys pack a powerful punch. You can power up your devices, lights, and even small appliances like blenders or coffee makers, all with ease. But here's the best part. The Blue Eddy generators are super quiet. That's right, no more noisy interruptions to your peaceful camping experience. You can power up your gadgets without disturbing the peace and quiet of the great outdoors. And the utility of these generators doesn't stop there. They're also great for emergency backup power during power outages or natural disasters. Keep your lights on and your devices charged, no matter what life throws your way. So why settle for those clunky, noisy, and heavy generators when you can have a portable and powerful solution that makes your camping life easy? In our pinned comments, you will find a link to Blue Eddy. Check them out today.